Hey, can I ask you, who is this?
Baby.
No, who is this?
Mommy.
This is mommy. Who is this?
Daddy.
Baby. What's his name?
Papa.
Xinhua. Then who is this?
Daddy.
Oh, your daddy. So what are you doing with your baby now? Are you swimming? Can you do swimming with your baby? Swim. Do swimming with baby. Then you never. Again. Swim with baby again one more time. Well done, eh? You want to go home already? Can you bring baby and go home? Go home to mommy. Wow! Where are you bringing your family? Hi! Is it time for lunch already? You want to eat already? No! Then what do you want to do?
I want to homework.
You want to do homework? Okay, please go and... But Daddy, please bring baby to go and do homework. No?
I want to homework.
Okay, do it. Go and do homework. Go. Do homework already. Good boy. Well done. Hey, you never sayang your baby because she finished homework already.